guys, we have changed. We are about to go out to dinner. The restaurant we are going to is called JB Hooks. We went there in January last time we came. I'm gonna get a little bit of footage for you guys, probably not too much talking, kind of like how the last B-roll footage was, but yeah, we're cute. We look like we're going to an elegant event, something fancy. I'm sad because Bubba's not here. He's usually like right here, but you know, we decided that when we come back to Ozarks, we probably won't bring him, not because he doesn't like it, but because it's just hectic for him. You know, it's out of his ordinary. Babe's back with my shoes. Thank you, love. I needed my love slides from when we leave. But you know, we just we feel that for Bubba, it's not ideal for him. Basically, it's just not ideal for him. It's cool, he's fine with it, but it's just so curvy. Like, the roads down here are so curvy, and he has to brace himself. He can't just relax in a car. It's hot, so he's like constantly panting, and that's okay. But at the same time, you know, we want just his best interest at all times. So we'll probably just board him at the boarding resort we usually take him to before we leave, because he's comfortable there. But he seemed okay when we left, and we haven't gotten a call saying he needs us or anything since we dropped him off. So I'm not too worried about him. I believe he'll be okay, especially since it's a pet hospital. Hey guys, so we have made it to JB Hooks. We just ordered our food. I will show you guys what the food is looking like when it gets here. We have a window seat. I low-key feel like this might be the exact same seat that we sat in last time we were here, but we can see everything this time. It's not pitch black. We came at 7 last time in January, and it was pitch black, so we can see things. It looks beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys the scenery and let you just see our experience while we're here. Alright, you guys, calamari just came in, fried calamari. We are going to dig in and just enjoy. Guys, I forgot to vlog the salads. They done came and gone. We done ate those, but my tuna has arrived. This is seared grilled ahi tuna with wasabi and soy sauce, a little brown butter. I got mashed potatoes, calamari halfway done. Babe, what did you get? You got a steak, the filet mignon medium, and mashed potatoes. We've been snacking on these. What are these, like chips? I don't know. Biscuit chips and tomato cream cheese. That's really good, and we have glasses of wine we're gonna try. exploring. We've left JB Hooks. It's like 7:54, and we exploring. It's a trail. Oh, I need to watch where I'm going. I got flats on. That's not ideal for a trail.
A few moments later.
And now we are walking back. We did not make it all the way down. We took pictures. We do not know how far this spans. You cannot go down every single... Oh, nets. Nets. Ugh, I touched it with my hand. My hand touched it. We're walking down to a beach area. There's people on a go-kart having fun. A family being a family, enjoying themselves. You know, this is like an adventure, like a safari. Oh, we made it down to the docks, babe. It's a fire pit. Oh, this is so pretty. Wait. Oh, okay, GQ model. Who are you?
Cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do.
Gonna go to Wacky Nackies for breakfast. It is a gloomy day in Ozarks this morning, but we still hungry, so let's see if we can get an outside table. It's a nice breeze outside, so it shouldn't be that bad.
You had a good time at the table or whatever you were doing?
Yeah, I did not do nothing to my hair or my face. I washed it and I left.
Moved in, got shot down on a couple of them.
Okay guys, our food has arrived. We got mimosas. We about to eat.
3 hours.
Oh yeah, you can't even see. He got a whole plate. He ate that big old waffle. I didn't have a piece of it. And them potatoes is good though, but they get hard. They get cold. You gotta eat it quick. We at the Osage. What is it called? Osage Beach Outlet, but they not open yet. So we just here. We got some time to kill because we gotta go pick up Esco. But ain't nothing open, so it's like ain't nothing to do. But you guys, I'm cute now. We are about to go on one last doggy-free hoorah. One more. It is early, but they're open, so we're gonna go to Shawnee Bluffs Winery and have maybe a glass or two of wine before we pick up the doggo. We went there last time. They have a pretty good selection of wine. Show my arms. Fogging up. Sorry, bud. Good morning, everybody. So I am just out walking Bubs. Wherever he is, there he is. We are taking our morning stroll so he can pee and poop. This is actually the last of it all. Oh, I'm sorry I keep fogging up, guys. It's really humid out here this morning. I'll try to keep the lens as clean as I can, but I really just came on to say thank you guys so much for watching. We are getting ready to head out. I'm really just taking Bubs out to do his thing so he can potty before we leave. Come on, Bubby. Because checkout's at 11 and it's currently 7. So we're keeping him on schedule. We might get some breakfast. We probably won't. We might just eat when we get back in St. Louis. But yeah, that's it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We did not do too much because we had Big Bubba with us. We were only able to board him for basically like one night. We had to pick him up by 1 o'clock yesterday. And it rained yesterday too. So it wasn't like we could do oh so much. But next time we come, oh, you scary boy. Next time we come, I definitely would like to get on the water. We saw a lot of boats out here on the lake in the area that we're staying. I would have loved to have been one of the participants. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy one last time. I am Jazzy Denise. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Jazzy Denise TV because it be lit over here on Jazzy Denise TV. And me and Bubba and Aunt, we'll see you guys in the next family vacay vlog, next family vlog, next vloggy vlog, whatever. We'll see you guys.